The PLK DTF Printer L1800 is a complete direct-to-film transfer solution designed for printing on t-shirts and fabrics with ease and professionalism. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this printer at the latest price available. This printer comes bundled with a 2-year ink supply, including 5 bottles of high-quality ink and powder, ensuring uninterrupted printing and significant cost savings over time. Alongside this, it includes a pre-installed laptop that is fully optimized for printing tasks, allowing you to start your projects without any setup delays or compatibility issues. This model supports a 3-size printing, which means it can handle designs up to 13 inches wide and as long as 1 meter, making it ideal for businesses with larger orders or those looking to scale. The PLK DTF printer offers exceptional print quality with a resolution of 2880 by 1440 dpi, resulting in sharp and vibrant designs that stand out on fabric. One of the standout features is the white ink circulation system that prevents clogging, ensuring consistent print performance and reducing maintenance headaches. Speaking of maintenance, the printer features a semi-automatic cleaning system that significantly cuts down the time and effort needed to keep the machine in top working order. This hands-free approach to upkeep lets you focus more on your creative and business tasks instead of troubleshooting technical issues. The printer supports USB connectivity and employs reliable inkjet printing technology, providing a seamless user experience with professional-grade results. For optimal performance, PLK offers clear pro tips to prevent white ink issues, such as shaking the ink bottle before use, extracting small amounts of ink from the white ink sacs and waste tubes, performing head cleaning, and running nozzle checks via the connected laptop. If any issues arise, customer support is readily available to assist by reviewing print results and troubleshooting problems. Overall, the PLK DTF Printer L1800 is a powerful and efficient choice for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to produce high-quality fabric prints with ease, durability, and ongoing support.